Good morning, YouTube. Fine men and women of YouTube. Here's the boat. Rubber band powered. It's got 3 pulleys up front, 3 pulleys in the back, and once again a hub that's too large for the windings. I'll go ahead and tell y'all right now, prepare to be disappointed because I definitely was. Either way, so you gotta wind it up just like a typical rubber band powered airplane or anything else, use the prop. This takes a second, so bear with me. And others have recommended, and I've messed around with gearings and even a coaxial design, and screw it. I really could use some gearing in this, but the problem with gearing is are you supposed to submerge the gears? I mean, isn't that going to create quite a bit of drag? I'm sure there's better solutions than how I'm going about it, but either way, see, I'm having to help the rubber band along because maybe the tolerance is too tight. Rubber band likes to rub up against the top and bottom of it. Not all the way. I mean, it's touching, but I did make it smaller than the pulleys. Either way, not small enough. All right. I'm not going to be able to get much more windings on it than what I've got right now. Oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Well, screw it. I can get some more. What am I talking about? Damn phone. Can't even see what you are seeing. The phone timed out. Alright. It's ready for disappointment. Oh, I had so much torque it flipped upside down. All right, so I'm not lacking in the torque department. That's a catamaran. I don't even know how to spell that, so you're not gonna see it on the title. It'll be speedboat or something similar. It doesn't really matter. Nah, I'm just screwing around. Alright, so I won't wind it up as much this time, because I don't need it flipping over on me. It doesn't work as well upside down as it does right side up. It doesn't even work that well right side up, but you know what I'm saying. Alright, evenly distribute the tension a little bit more. Just get that rubber band right over that last pulley on the top. So I mean, that's what you get. Like I said, I should have. I still won't learn. Could have geared that. Could have geared the prop. 3-to-1 gearing would probably be ideal. Give it a little bit more run time, Either way, it is my first rubber band powered boat. That's all assembled and actually somewhat kind of worked. Not very good. Who knows? I might. I'm not going to promise anything. We'll see what the future holds. Maybe one day I'll revisit this. Anyways, as always, hope you enjoyed. Rocky weather out there, YouTube. Be safe and have a good day. Adios.